Ukraine has unveiled a new anti-drone weapon known as the Bullet Interceptor, a fast and relatively low-cost system designed to shoot down attacking drones, technology that experts say could also help protect countries in the Gulf from similar threats. Developed by Ukrainian defense company General Cherry, the Bullet is built to intercept Iranian-designed Shahed-type attack drones, which have been widely used in modern conflicts. The interceptor drone can reach speeds of more than 300 km per hour, allowing it to chase down and destroy incoming drones before they reach their targets. Operators control the Bullet using first-person view goggles, guiding it directly toward hostile drones. Once it reaches the target, the interceptor destroys the enemy drone midair, preventing it from striking cities or critical infrastructure. Ukrainian developers say the system has already taken down hundreds of drones on the battlefield, proving its effectiveness during the ongoing war with Russia. The technology is also relatively cheap compared with traditional missile defense systems, which can cost millions of dollars per launch. Because of its lower cost and speed of production, Ukrainian manufacturers say they could produce tens of thousands of interceptor drones each month. This has sparked interest from countries in the Middle East, where governments are looking for better ways to defend against drone attacks. Security analysts say Ukraine's battlefield experience is now shaping the future of air defense, as the growing use of drones forces militaries around the world to develop faster and more affordable ways to protect their skies.